Deepika Padukone, Sonam Kapoor or Alia Bhatt? Who is the most rocking cover chick? This month's hot glossy covers are out, and as always, our Bollywood babes make an appearance in their La Dida designer avatars. Now, while Student of the Year Alia Bhatt keeps it pretty and feminine in a light shade dress on a Marie Claire cover, Sonam Kapoor goes hot and wild on the cover of GQ. It's fun to see heroines getting into their fashion groove and show a facet we have never seen before. Look at Deepika Padukone transforming from this spicy South Indian chick from Chennai Express to this sweet and classy girl on the cover of Elle. Prachi Desai, the commonly plain Jane from Rock On, has to change to this sexy babe who ditched her top for the new cover of FHM. The girls are going wild and wacky, style-wise, and we totally love it. What can we say? It's dissecting time. Alia Bhatt. The babe looks lovely in Roberto Cavalli dress. The style is girly to the core, and who better than Miss Bhatt do justice to it? Deepika Padukone. The caption of the mag says 9 to 5 style at work, and her fashion statement epitomizes it perfectly. Padukone has gone all chic and office-like in the blue sheath dress. We like the slight puffy effect on the sleeve, the lace bodice and the coarse DP's short hairdo. Nargis Fakhri. Miss Fakhri has gone one shoulder on the cover of High Blitz. Not as impressive as the rock star's babe previous cover appearances. When we see Nargis Fakhri, the rebel belle on the cover, we expect a lot more than bland stone-studded gown and that blah expression. Prachi Desai. Even though we love the strapless bra and sheath skirt style, we somehow think Miss Desai is not very photogenic. You need a fiery attitude to carry this off. She clearly doesn't have it. Sonakshi Sinha. We are not usually fond of close-ups, but this cover somehow fascinates us. It is Sinha's mesmerizing expression that does the trick. The lovely necklace, those pretty cold rim eyes and tiny gorgeous nose stud. The Rowdy Rathod actor is looking smoking hot, don't you think? Sonam Kapoor. Never have we seen the Kapoor chick in such a saucy avatar. The red bra and the body-hugging skirt make the babe look like an absolute femme fatale. On this month's GQ, Sonam Kapoor is a bad girl. Sridevi. The English babe is making a cleavage revealing statement on the cover of Vogue. The babe will turn 50 this month and she looks as young and refreshing as ever in those rose pink gown.